I've been making lots of cake recipes for the past few years and I've never attempted to make zebra cake. So today I'm going to be trying out zebra cake for the first time and I hope it will turn out amazing. To make this soft, fluffy, delicious zebra cake, you'll need a few ingredients which are going to be very basic. So check the description box for the full recipe. So you'll start off by preheating your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Then you're going to line your baking tin with parchment paper, and also don't forget to spray the tin. If you don't have parchment paper and baking spray, you can simply spread some margarine, and then you're going to add a teaspoon or a tablespoon of all-purpose flour, dust the tin and tap out the excess. Then you're going to make your batter. So that is what I'm going to be doing. So in your mixing bowl, you're going to be adding in 3 eggs, add in a cup of sugar. You're going to whip up your eggs and sugar until light and soft using a whisk. So that is what I'm going to be doing. And that is going to take around 2 to 4 minutes. So I'm going to combine the eggs and sugar and then I'm going to whip up. Whipping up the eggs until very light is going to make the cake very fluffy. So this step is very important while making this zebra cake. So into your bowl, you're going to be adding in the rest of the ingredients. That is cooking oil, vanilla essence, a teaspoon of baking powder, and some salt. Whisking the cooking oil and vanilla essence together with the wet ingredients. Then you're going to add in your all-purpose flour and milk. So I'm going to add in half of my all-purpose flour. Fold in. Add in some milk. Add in the rest of the all-purpose flour and milk into the bowl. Fold in until everything is fully combined. Don't overmix your batter once you notice everything is fully mixed up. Scrape the bottom of the bowl to make sure all the ingredients are fully combined. And the batter is smelling so nice because of the vanilla essence. So the baking powder is going to help the cake to rise while in the oven, while the salt is going to balance out the sugar, making the cake very delicious. Once done, you're going to divide the batter in two, and then we're going to be adding in cocoa powder to 1/2. Using a whisk, you're going to whisk in the cocoa powder until fully combined. And once the cocoa powder is fully combined with the batter, I'm going to be using a measuring cup and an ice cream scoop to scoop out my vanilla and chocolate batter into the baking tin, making that zebra marble effect. You're going to add in your vanilla and chocolate butter in intervals until the butter is all in the pan, and then you're going to use a skewer and make a pattern. It's going to be very simple, just like that. When done, you're going to be baking your cake at 180 degrees Celsius for 50 to 60 minutes. And to check if the cake is ready, you can insert a skewer in the middle of the cake. Once the skewer comes out clean, the cake is ready. So let's get baking. I'm excited to see how my zebra cake is looking on the inside, so I'm going to carefully lift my cake, and oh my, I don't have the distinct zebra marbling effect that I wanted because it seems like I added in too much chocolate butter to vanilla butter. So yeah, the cake is looking okay. It's soft, it's fluffy, it's looking very delicious, and it's well baked. So as you're adding in your butter into your baking tin, make sure to balance out the chocolate and vanilla butter so that you can have that zebra marbling effect. You can see mine it's like waves. It's not like the zebra marbling effect, but the cake is okay, it's well baked, and it's just perfect. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this easy and delicious zebra cake recipe.